Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into an exciting gadget that's been making waves in the smartphone market, the Samsung A26. This device brings cutting-edge technology and affordability to the forefront, making it a top choice for budget-conscious consumers. First, let's talk about the design. The Samsung A26 boasts a sleek and modern aesthetic, featuring a vibrant display that brings your content to life. Whether you're watching videos, browsing social media, or gaming, the visuals are nothing short of stunning. Plus, its lightweight build makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Now, what about performance? The A26 is equipped with a powerful processor that ensures smooth multitasking. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless performance. With ample 8GB RAM and 256GB storage options, you can enjoy your favorite apps without worrying about running out of space. Let's not forget the camera capabilities. The Samsung A26 comes with a versatile camera setup, allowing you to capture breathtaking photos and videos in various scenarios. Whether it's a sunny day or a low-light environment, you'll be impressed by the results. Lastly, battery life is crucial for any smartphone user. The Samsung A26 features a long-lasting battery that keeps you connected throughout the day. So whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing, you won't be left searching for a charger. In summary, the Samsung A26 is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable smartphone without breaking the bank. If you're in the market for a new device, this might just be the perfect fit for you.